people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to tell you guys about the new Instacart credit card. So Instacart got a Mastercard, you guys. I have a Mastercard and I'm so excited about it. Now, if you don't know what Instacart is, it's where you can actually order multiple things. So they got grocery, convenience store. You could pick up groceries or pick up stuff you order. You can order alcohol. You can order stuff for your pets, beauty, ready meals, gifts. They have Lowe's on here, you guys. Bed Bath and Beyond. Now I want to show you something in this category, and let me show you something maybe at grocery, because this is what I use it for most. I use it for my groceries. I order my groceries in, so I'm going to show you guys this. So right now it's 7:54, and they saying if I order something, it'll be ready for pickup at 9:15 or be delivered by 8:36. So all of that is right here, right before you see the time that it opens. But I didn't mean to click on that. But you can see right here, this is Publix. So let me show you how I would order something from Publix if I wanted to order something. So these are some few things that I ordered before from Publix. If you go through there, that'll show stuff that you ordered before, because maybe sometimes you want to order the same things. Then they have different things. So they have little goodies, sweets in this section. They also have crackers, fresh fruit, ice, meals. And I think this is the quick one. This is the one where this is going to be within 30 minutes too. I think that's what this one is. So they have sushi. They have so many different things here. And if you can't find something, just click the search bar. Click the search bar and then go ahead and put it in. I'm going to just say fruit because I want to look at all the fruit that they have. And then here we are here. Here's all the fruit that they have. So I can say, okay, I want some blueberries. Give me some blueberries. Okay, I want some pineapples. Give me one. And if you want more than one, because like with this banana, they're selling them as in singles. You got to buy each banana. So I will click the plus sign and then I will put 3 of them in there. And then that's how it would be. Now, you'll go on to the next screens, and it's too much payment information on there. I don't want to do that. But you'll go on to the next screens, and you'll be able to check out. And I have a $10 code you guys can use down in the comments, so definitely check it out. You'll get $10. I'll get $10. And you'll get that off your first order. Now, forget the $10 fully, especially not just forget it, get it, but we got something way better than that. Look at the pre-approved I got right here. So you're pre-approved to get a $200 credit and $200 credit a year. Here we go. You pre-approved to get a $200 Instacart credit. And that's what I really want to show you guys. When I seen this yesterday, I ordered something. I was losing my mind. But you guys would get a $200 Instacart credit. Now, listen, this is the part I want to say about that credit, though. So it's a limited time offer. So the first 10,000 people will get, whoever get the card, first 10,000 people will get the card before the 4th. And it's the 25th right now. They'll get that $200 credit plus one free year of Instacart. After that, the offer will change to $100 Instacart credit plus one free year. So you get an extra $100 right now if you apply before the 4th. So that's why I really want to show you guys this card. Now, they saying I'm pre-approved. I don't know what that's based off of. I really don't. Don't forget, they are going to, they are under Chase. So, you want to look at your Experian credit report to see if you can possibly get approved for this. It's really new, so I'm not sure what your credit score should be. I'm guessing you would want your credit score over a 680. I would try to be over 720 to get this card, but $200 Instacart credit, I'm here for it. I love it. So let's go down some. Let's see what other benefits you guys get. So you guys are going to get 5% cash back on the Instacart app and Instacart purchases. Sometimes I did pickup, because if you do pickup, you get 5% cash back for pickups. So I wonder, are you going to get 10% cash back for pickups? So that would be amazing. I will always pick up my groceries, and they already together. They already have them all ordered, or everything sorted out. All they do is put in your trunk, just in case you never use Instacart. And then 5% cash back on travel purchase through Chase Travel. So I really like that too. 5% back on that. 2% back at restaurant, gas stations, and on select streaming services. I like that a lot too. And then 1% cash back on all your other purchases. I really like that you guys are, not you guys, but we are getting, we are getting so much cash back. That is really good. And the free delivery, we already getting this with the membership. Well, I already have my membership. And if you get the card, then you'll get the free membership for a year. And then after that, you have to start paying for your membership. So you will have to pay for your membership, basically. They're going to charge you basically an annual fee of $99. And then that's going to be your membership, basically. So you're going to get free delivery, 5% back on pickup. So I was just telling you that when you pick up your groceries, you get 5% back. But check it because gas prices is crazy. My last pickup, I think I did last weekend. I picked up something from Aldi's. To me, it wasn't worth it. It took me 25 minutes to get there and 25 minutes to get back. I'd rather have paid. I think I was saving $7. But then I guess I can look at it as... I made $11 by doing, I guess, or I saved $11 because from the money I got and then the money I would have spent. And then they said you can share the benefits to your family. I didn't know that. You can add them to your membership to shop and enjoy the perks. I guess if they're in the same household, I believe. They have to be in the same household. And then you can share it. So that's all the benefits of them. And then they said that they don't have an annual fee whatsoever. I guess that you're not going to be... I guess I'm mistaken. So I guess you're not required to have... I guess you're not required to have a membership. They're not going to charge you an annual fee with the membership included. That's not what they're going to do. You're going to have your credit card, no annual fee. And if you want the membership, which is $99 a year or $9.99 per month, then you'll go ahead and pay for that. So that's there. And then it's just more stuff about them. Basically what they said at the top. So they got baggage insurance, purchase protection. So I really like that. And I guess this is really for travel. But this is a credit card, you all. Hopefully you all will get approved for this credit card. I really like Instacart. And I am fumbling over my words. But I really have to tell you all about this. And I'm like looking at this with you all. Because I'm so excited to apply for it. Now, I am supposed to be in the garden stage. But I guess I can possibly come out. I'm going to have to see. But this credit card is amazing, and I would love to apply before the 4th. And they say, too, the first 10,000. I don't know how many people going to actually apply for this, especially with this video coming out. But first 10,000 will actually get that $200. You get an extra $100 credit. And then that's going to be before the 4th. So that's the Instacart, you all. Let me know if you guys have any questions. One little last place I want to show you is this Lowe's because I've never been here. And I wanted you all to see this because a lot of people buy things at Lowe's. So let's see exactly what you can get from Lowe's. I wonder, I guess you can only get grills. You gifting grills at Lowe's. But I never seen this, you all. So this means basically they're expanding. They're doing more than usual. So they're doing way more than the usual. So I really like that. They're expanding because they didn't have Lowe's at first. So I really like that. And look, you got home appliances actually. It's more than just, I guess I clicked the wrong thing. You got home appliances on here. You can order tools. Y'all, do y'all know what this mean? If you all ever rehabbed a property or fixed on a property, you did a little edit into a property. If you didn't have a tool, you have to go get it. And you can search on here to see if they have it before you have to leave. So that is really good. I wonder, can you get screws and nails and be specific with it too? But look at all the stuff they have here, you all. Oh my gosh. So definitely you're going to need this app. They got everything on here. And I like the point that a lot of these places, like it's 8:02 right now. And they saying grocery can be to me by 8:22. Convenience can be to me by 8:22. Some pet stuff can be to me by 8:22. So I really like that. That is really nice, you all. So definitely go ahead and use my link down below to get that $10 credit, even if you don't get that credit card, because this is going to be a game changer for you. I sent this to somebody that's in the hospital. They got stuff sent to the hospital. They told me they needed a charger. I sent them a charger to the hospital, and they're in a different state. So I was able to send them stuff, and they're in a different state. So definitely check this out. And if you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments. And enjoy your $10. Get you something nice. I don't know what you're going to get. I'll probably give me some eyelashes from Walgreens or something. I don't know, because I ran out of mine here. So that's something I'll probably get. But make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then also, you guys, make sure you leave me a comment about what video you want me to make next. So thank you for staying to the end. I'll see you guys later.